So what is up everyone? Today I want to share with you my experiences with my new Apple Cinema Display 23-inch. Stay tuned. So this is my new display. I am quite a sucker for this kind of displays. I have a lot of them. This will replace my two 27-inch Full HD BenQ displays. The reason why I've chosen this display is because the first thing is I really like the design. They were the top model of displays made by Apple. They have really lovely color rendering, and they have quite an amazing resolution. The resolution is more than Full HD. They come with the Apple Display port, which is proprietary to Apple, but there is an adapter so that you can use it with modern computers. So this adapter I have twice. Those displays have one downside. They are really hefty, and they costed back then something around of 4,000 to 6,000 euros. The display quality is amazing. They really are the top of the line. And the second problem they have is that the acrylics that are around there, they get dirty because there are air ventilation holes on the back, and the dirt can run inside. So in this video I will going to show you how to clean those displays. So what do we need? The first thing we need is rubbing alcohol or washing gas, and then we need those things. So I will readjust everything and then we will have a look. So now we are on the back side, and I hope you can see that here and up there and on there's a lot of stuff that I don't want to have there. So that is why I made the decision to clean this thing properly. So we have a lot of hexagonal screws around here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws, and we will now undo them. So last but not least, those bottom screws are different to those up there because they are deeper. So you have to put them aside and put them back on their right position. So now we should be able to lift the display up. go. So now we can slide this part out. There we are. So now let's have a clean. So what I do is I take the alcohol onto there and just rub it along, and you will see that this works amazingly well. This is plastic as well, so no problems there. So this stuff comes up nicely. I really enjoyed it. So let's continue with the back shell. I won't do the front shell because there isn't any scuff under there, and it is quite complex to get this away. So I won't do that. But what will need attention is the back plate. I will readjust the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's put this puppy back together. There's one thing that you have to know. There are notches and they have to align to the inside of this monitor. That's really, really important. So let's slide that back together. There we go. Those are back in place. And now I'm going to back assemble the entire unit, starting with the 3 screws from down here. Okay, so now the worst part is gone. Let's go over to the other remaining parts. Which will be this is a part of the foot. Clean it quite well. There we go. We have to take those screws out. They will hold the display fit. So now I have the right tool for the job. It should go faster. There we go. Now, there we have the foot. I hope you can see the acrylic is quite dirty, so we take So now, last but not least, we will have to do something about this cable. I hope you can see it. It is really, really dirty. But the dirt with this cleaning solution comes right off. It is amazingly simple. So take it and rub it around. So guys, look at that. See that line? That line is from that cable. It is really disgusting what's on there. But we can get the things away. So why don't do that? So now the last step is to put the cable through there and get the stand fixed on that. Okay, guys, there you have it. That is how to disassemble this display, clean it and put it back together. Thank you very much. Goodbye.